Okay, there you go. Boom. Alright. You have to get the 2 little things for these clips in there right in order for it to go in there. Pissing me off. And all you gotta do is push that back in there. This ain't gotta go back on there because it's already one on the headlights. And then put this back on there. It's supposed to be one up here. Let me see. Oh no, it's not. So hardy, fuck. I need to get it all the way in there. It ain't all the way in there. It's because these wires. Fuck! Damn, I gotta get the other part. Damn, this shit really harder than I think. It's not going in there right because I gotta get these 2 pins in there and it's pissing me off. I gotta do this shit again. Okay. Get these wires in there. I got it. I got it, man. I got it. Can't hold nothing. I just gotta put it in there. Just right. Whoever made these headlights, came up with Crown Vic headlights are fucking stupid the way y'all had to design this shit, because it shouldn't even be this difficult. These little pieces gotta go in a little hole, and that's what I'm struggling on. Boom. Okay. Let's make sure you get these in there. Like once I get 2 of them in there, the other one don't want to go in there. I'm gonna look at this footage. It's gonna be all crooked sideways and shit. Why? You all on your phone and you paying attention.
Girl, shut up.
I don't even want to be here, bitch.
You gonna make me cut this camera off and get you in here.
Yeah. You gonna be walking home. Tripping.
You rude.
Oh my god, it's not this fucking difficult. Maybe I should try to put it in there without the headlights in there. What I just said.
Keep it up.
The cookie gonna do.
That's all this camera for you doing.
I got more batteries. There you go. Boom. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm killing myself. Put that in there now on to the next one. Stupid.
The next day.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, light bulb. I'm gonna break it now. I think I need to get this clip out first. I ain't got no. See if I can put some WD-40 on it.
You want me to pause it?
Yeah. Come off. This is how you really be struggling in real. That's how I really be struggling in real life. I know this clip did not just break. This clip just broke, or it was already broken. That's probably why it's not coming out. Y'all, I'll come back when I get this out. Hold on. Let's pause. Okay, hold on. Let's see. There we go. Boom, that won't go up no more. Lights are working. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Oh my god, I'm so mad because it took me so long, but it's a learning lesson. Well, not a learning lesson, but learning experience. 07 Crown Vic, you know what I'm saying? Beat by boot. Yeah. I'll do a full car review within the next few days. Yeah. I'll catch y'all next one.